Example 3 says we should solve the following. A says sine 3 theta is equal to cos 2 theta. We should find the value of theta. Solution. So if sine 3 theta is equal to cos 2 theta, and we have said that cos 2 theta is equal to sine into bracket 90 minus 2 theta. You substitute this for cos 2 theta in this equation. This becomes sine 3 theta to be equal to sine into bracket 90 minus 2 theta. I have eliminated cos from my equation. Then bringing out the angles, that is 3 theta will be equal to 90 minus 2 theta. Simplifying this by collecting like terms, you have it to be 3 theta plus 2 theta to be equal to 90 degrees. And 3 theta plus 2 theta gives us 5 theta. So 5 theta is equal to 90 degrees. And when you divide both sides by 5, you have theta to be equal to 90 degrees divided by 5. 5 into itself is 1. 5 into 9 is 1. Remainder 4. And 5 into 40 is 8, leaving us with 18 degrees. So theta is equal to 18 degrees. What this means is that if you multiply 18 by 3, the sine of it is equal to the cos of 2 times 18.